Hello, everyone. This is my review of this seat cushion that's designed to help support your tailbone. It comes with an extra cover, and the cover actually has a nice little hand on it so you can take it around wherever you need to. The bottom of it, which I'm showing you here, is designed so it doesn't slip around while you have it on your chair or wheelchair, whatever type of chair you need it on. It's designed so it doesn't slip or move around, so it stays pretty firm in place. You can switch out the seat covers just by unzipping it there and taking out the memory foam cushion that's inside it. So if you get one dirty, just slap the other one on and go clean the other one. The cushion is very soft and it makes any hard surface that you would put the cushion on easy and enjoyable to sit on. As I can see, I have a wooden chair here and it makes it very nice for me to sit on there and to do my work. So I hope this review helps.